Hello, my name is Vadim Polishchuk. I'm a real estate agent here in Washington State, and today we are talking about Home Directions USDA Direct Loan and what the requirements are for an individual to be eligible for the zero down, 1% subsidized loan. So let's get started. The first eligibility requirement for Home Directions USDA Direct Loan is income. Now, the USDA Direct Loan was created to help very low and low income families unlock the dream of home ownership. And that is defined as 50 to 80% of the median income for that geographical location. Now, hearing this, you might think I'm most likely not eligible. But let's use a real life example of the county that I live in, Pierce County. If you are a family of 1 to 4 and you make $87,000 or less, then you can qualify for Home Directions USDA Direct Loan at zero down and an interest rate of 1%. If you're curious to learn about what the income requirements are for you, you can always visit homedirection.org and schedule a call with one of the experts who will be able to help you. Keep in mind that your specific location and family size will also come into play to see if you are eligible for the direct loan. For example, if your family is over 5, then the income requirements increase as well. The second requirement is that you be a citizen or have legal residency in the United States. Unfortunately, if you are a DACA applicant or you are here without paperwork, you cannot apply for the USDA Direct Loan. The third requirement for Home Directions USDA Direct Loan at zero down and 1% interest is that you must purchase a home in eligible territory. Now, when most people hear eligible territory for a USDA loan, they automatically assume hours and hours away from the central place of business and where they do life. And this is probably one of the biggest misconceptions about the USDA Direct Loan. You can literally purchase a home 30 to 45 minutes outside of a major city that is probably a location that you would want to live anyways. I highly recommend that you go again to homedirection.org and you can actually plug in your county and see eligible homes in your area to see if this might be a good fit for you. Another requirement of Home Directions USDA Direct Loan is that you cannot own a home at the moment of applying for the direct loan. What does this mean? Most people think that you have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of this zero down 1% interest loan. And that is a big misconception. If you own a home and decide to sell it, after you've sold the home, then you can go ahead and apply for the USDA Direct Loan. And we've actually helped people accomplish this where they were able to move either from one city to another or from one state to another. So it's important that you reach out to us at homedirection.org and see if you can qualify to sell your home and use the proceeds for the next home and take advantage of a 1% interest rate. The fifth requirement for Home Directions USDA Direct Loan is that you have a credit score of 640 or higher. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't have a credit score at all, or I've had a bankruptcy, or I have some derogatory marks on my credit report. Am I still eligible to take advantage of this zero down 1% interest loan? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can. There are multiple ways that we can show to the USDA that you have good credit standing, and some of those circumstances like bankruptcy, late payments, collections, or charge-offs were out of your hands and still get you approved for a loan. Another requirement is loan amounts. Now, you might be thinking, well, gee, I make a great income. I could qualify for $1 million and pay 1% on it. Home Directions USDA loan is actually constrained based on geographical location. For example, in Washington State, you can get a maximum loan amount in certain counties of $780,000. Now, if you were shopping somewhere like Polk County, Indiana, the maximum loan that you can get is right under $380,000. So every single county and every single state will have different maximum loan amounts that you can get with Home Directions USDA loan. The seventh requirement is that you take some type of homeowner's education. This can be a course that's either in person or online, or if you're working with a packager like us, we can direct you to one of our partners and you'll be able to complete that course in as quick as 45 minutes. The final requirement of the USDA Direct Loan is that this loan is not used for income producing activities. This means that you can't buy a home utilizing this loan and rent it out the next day, because the loan wasn't designed to do that. It was designed to help very low and low income families unlock the dream of home ownership and allow their families to build generational wealth by owning a home. So if this seems like the right fit for you, I highly encourage you to reach out to Home Direction. They'll be able to get your loan package sent off, connect you with a partner agent in your area, and help you become a homeowner and stop renting. My name is Vadim Polishchuk. If you can, like, comment, please subscribe, and I would love to see you in the next video.